Rustic meets modern with our copper finish metal business cards. With their distinct brushed finish, these cards are sure to make an instant and unforgettable impression. Our copper finish business cards are actually made from 304 stainless steel. During our state-of-the-art manufacturing process, we add the copper finish. It's durable and highly attractive due to the unique weathered and brushed appearance. The cards are new, but look slightly weathered, with the recessed areas holding a slightly darker copper color than the card surface. This allows lettering to pop and intricate detail to show through. At 0.5 millimeters thick, these cards are about as thick as a credit card, but since they're made of steel, they won't easily bend. And the weight of our copper finish metal cards is perfect. The feeling is luxurious, but not too heavy. These copper finish metal business cards include the following, all at no additional charge. Any custom cut-through areas. Any 10% surface etching on the front and back. This produces a debossed look on the card surface. One screen printed color on the front and back. If you don't have any ideas or artwork of your own, that's no problem. Our in-house graphic design team knows how to make you look good. Simply enter any information or ideas for your card, and within 24 hours, you will receive a digital proof of your card design. Note any changes, and we'll update the proof for your new review. Your cards will only go to production once you are completely in love with your design. You really have to feel our cards to believe them, so if you want, we'll even send you free samples. All cards get our ironclad 100% satisfaction guarantee. These copper finish metal business cards are designed to do one thing: make you stand out and leave an instant and unforgettable impression. Now is the time to ditch those boring paper cards and elevate your first impression with your very own copper finish metal business cards. And remember, only the best come from mymetalbusinesscard.com. Thanks for watching, and we hope you will join the My Metal Business Card family.